This is towards Tumkur. Base layer of tracks is done. Long welded rails may be expected soon. This is the permissive signal towards Urukere Junction. This is towards Urukere Junction. That is the Pune highway. Road highway towards Chitradurga. This is towards Urukere. This is towards Tumkur. This is entry into Urukere Junction. This is the entry to Urukere Junction. Work is still pending. Some puja has been done recently. Station work is going on. Tracks are yet to be laid. Signals have come up on both ends. I think once the underpass is ready, this path will be closed. You can see a JCB there that is working for the path of underpass there. Let us see how that looks. So this is towards station and this is the underpass. This is the present road. Still under construction. Once this is ready, the existing one will be closed. Let's walk through the station. Shelter work is going on. 2 loop lines and 1 main line. This is a loop, this is a loop, and that is loop. This is main line. And that is the station building. The walking path is getting ready, the subway. subway connection. Nothing much beyond this point, only signals have been placed. Station building is going on. Let me know in the comment section how do you feel about this station building. Loop line, main line, one more loop, another loop towards Chitradurga. Thimmarajanahalli station building, and this is towards Tumkur-Urukere. This is towards Chitradurga, that is a dead end point. Mud filling is going on. This is Thimmarajanahalli station. This is the main line. This is one loop, second loop, third loop. Signal boxes have come up. Drainage work is done. But I doubt they'll finish within the targeted time of September. Lot of work is still pending here. Maybe till Urukere they might finish it. Let's wait and see. Towards Tumkur-Urukere Junction. This was earlier accessible to the highway, but now they have closed it. There you can see the track. This was the road. They have completely closed it here. Let's see how it is there on that side. Earlier thought there could be an ROB or RUB here, but maybe they don't have any such plans here, because they've closed it properly. Tracks are laid already and there's nothing on the both sides. This is towards Urukere Junction. Road path is closed. This is towards Thimmarajanahalli. This is towards Thimmarajanahalli. Till here the track is laid actually. Here digging work is going on. This is the new path that they have constructed. Last time around, you can check in my old video. And now they have started clearing the old path that was there. I'll show you that. This was the old path where the old road was there. Now they have started digging this. This was a path probably from here to there. That is the bridge. Here work is still pending, so probably September is little doubtful. Let's hope. Previously till that point everything was ready, but post that bridge nothing was done and work is going on still. Because of this road work was held up, I think, and now they have started digging it here. Might take another month or so. This is the bridge that you saw from that road. This is towards Urukere. Work is pending towards Thimmarajanahalli. This is towards Urukere. Work is done till here. They were waiting for this work to be completed, which is now done, I think. So they probably have to dig this up, make a path once this path is ready. Then they can finish this work. And from here towards Urukere, everything is completed. This is towards Urukere Junction. All work is done properly here. The bridge was pending. This is also done. This is completed. That is some beautiful village roads. Long welded rails will be next, and let's see when they'll come. We are walking towards Tumkur. And that is pretty close. This is line coming from Tumkur. Work here is complete now, and once long welded rails are placed, we are good to go till Urukere. So inspection might be in September end.